Do you need to replace the battery on your Dell G3 3500? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including written step-by-step tutorials with detailed images. Now that that's out of the way, let's jump into it. First, unscrew the bottom base screws. Now use your fingers or a plastic scribe to pry apart and remove the bottom base cover. Now disconnect the battery. Now unscrew and remove the battery. Note that if you have a 4-cell battery, the process is the same, there's just one additional screw. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.